Have you ever wanted your iPhone to automatically switch a call to speakerphone? This trick can save you time and allow for hands-free conversations, whether you're on the go or just want to free up your hands. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate the automatic speaker for calls on your iPhone. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you'll be notified of my new tutorials. So here we go. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're on the settings page, find the accessibility section and tap on it. After that, scroll down a bit and find the touch option and tap on it. Then, in this section, you will see several options. Now, simply scroll all the way down and find the option called Call Audio Routing. Tap on it. And at the very end, you'll see the automatic speaker option. Simply tap on it to activate it. Once you've activated this option, your phone will automatically switch all incoming calls to speakerphone as soon as you answer them. This way, every time you receive a call, the speaker will turn on automatically, making your calls easier and more convenient. And that's it. I hope you successfully activated this option and found the video useful. If you did, like it and subscribe to my channel MobiTechStar. See you very soon.